Everyone, it is time.
It's time
To put up our Halloween decorations, which means we gotta go down to the shed. So yeah, we just recently reorganized some of the shed, but it was a mess before. It's gonna be a workout.
Yeah.
Going up and down these stairs. So we have some of our like little tombstones down here, IKEA bags of pumpkins.
Christmas stuff. Bless you.
Excuse me. I see some Halloween right there. Okay, I'm gonna bring up some of the stuff and then show you guys what we're working with. Here is all of our Halloween bins. I think we need more.
What?
Yeah, we don't have enough. It's not enough.
That's a lot of stuff.
We're gonna consolidate. This has just been stuff that we've gathered over the years, and I already see some stuff like in this one that I don't like. So we're gonna get rid of some stuff this year.
This is like, what, 6 total bins?
Okay, babe, now that I helped you, I'm gonna go back and do work, so good luck taking all this up. Okay?
What?
See you later.
No. No, there's no way.
I hate this part. It is time to decorate for Halloween. Ready to do this?
Yes.
I've been looking forward to this for like the past month. I want to show you guys a before and after. Just do a little vlog. Here is our living room. Not decorated, just, you know, normal living room. I want to show you guys like the main areas where I think like a lot of people hang out when they come over, because we're having people over for Halloween. A lot of people hang out here at the bar. The Credenza also gets very decorated. Here is what it looks like before. Hi, Link.
Linky boy.
You excited for Halloween? We have so many bins. I'm gonna take everything out and lay everything out so we can see what we're working with. I always like to change it up every Halloween and just like put things where they weren't last year. So this year I'm really looking forward to decorating our fireplace because we've never done that before. We're gonna take the gate off and we're gonna fill it with stuff, and it's gonna be amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited for this Decorate With Me vlog. This is one of my first Decorate With Me vlogs I've ever done. So I hope it comes out good, and I'm so excited. I just love Halloween. Gotta set the mood first.
Cheers.
Ciders. Okay, so here is some of our stuff. A lot of decorations, and then over here we have some more like skulls and different things. I got all my pumpkins over here. We have all of our lights right here, some random stuff there, and then also this is like all the new stuff that we bought. We got some spiders, a big skelly friend, and then fabrics, and then these big pieces right here. I think I'm going to tackle it room by room, and I don't want to get overwhelmed, so I think that'll be the best solution. So I want to start with the living room. So I'm just gonna clear out some things that I have there right now, and then we're just gonna go with the flow. See how it goes. We're starting off with fabric. Took the thing off, cleaned it, and I'm just draping this fabric, and then we're gonna put lights right here all along the top. So we're pretty much done with the fireplace. We're just gonna put a light in. There's a cauldron in the fireplace, and we're gonna put some like webs to make it look like bubbles. But I think we're gonna call it a night and then work during the week for the rest of the house. So see you tomorrow. There's nothing worse than waking up to a mess that you created. Where am I gonna eat breakfast? All right, another day of decorating. I made our coffee. We're gonna tackle this first thing in the morning, and I think we're gonna do the credenza area, which is this here. Don't worry, I didn't know what a credenza was until I bought it. So I'm gonna clear off the stuff and then see how this goes. We have an idea for this. This area is gonna be our little like tarot area. This guy that we can put up somewhere on the wall. We can replace something. We also have this little fortune thing. So, and I also have a bunch of tarot cards, so I think it'd be a good idea to make this like an area. And then we're gonna cover it with some purple fabric that I have left over from our leggings that we made on Moody Me. We still have some left over if you want to buy some. But yeah, we're gonna cover that, and it's always important to start off with fabric, I feel like.
Ooh.
That looks really cool.
That looks really good.
Navi. Get out. Oh, it looks haunted. Now we just put stuff on top. Here is how it looks. I think it came out so good. I'm gonna have to give you guys like a big reveal with like all the lights and the candles. Okay, we're gonna move on to the bar. The bar's theme is going to be like a lot of ivy and fake flowers that we actually bought from the 99-cent store. We're gonna spray paint them black, so it's very floral, very like earthy vibe. Okay, we had to stop our decorating at the bar because we ran out of those little like clips that you put on the wall to attach. So my poor little spider webs can't be completed. So we're gonna take a little break and then come back to it later. This is literally like an event, all day event.
But listen, it's starting to look really good, especially this part.
This area, I just wanna leave it like this for the rest of the year.
Yeah.
So here's what we have so far for the bar. Oh my gosh, I love the way it looks. It looks so cool. This is a real monstera that I'm propagating. And yeah, all the flowers we got from the dollar store except for these are real too. So we only got 5 of the little ivy packs from the dollar store. So tomorrow,
I'm gonna buy 20.
we're gonna buy all of them. We're gonna buy all of them because I want the ivy to come and like go on this potions thing to kind of cover this little thing and, you know, add some, it's like this area is kind of overgrown, right? So we want it to put a bunch of ivy on this too. We're gonna take these down and then redecorate this wall, but I feel like we're barely making a dent in all of our decorations.
Dude, we have so much
What the
decorations.
heck? We have
like,
so much. I don't know, I'm thinking either the kitchen or the dining room. Not sure what we're doing next. This is what we have so far for the living room. It's looking very plain, but I like the way that the dining room, like the actual table's looking, but yeah, this needs a little more love. We've at it all day, so I think it's good to take a little break. It's day number 3 of Halloween decorating. We made a trip to the 99-cent store to grab more of the ivy, so we got 20 of them. So I think Mara's gonna help do that to the bar so we can finish that off. And I'm gonna start on this little hallway right here. This is our guest powder room. So a lot of people come and use that bathroom. And I was thinking of doing like that cool Harry Potter hanging candles thing because it would look really cool with the mirror, but this is what it looks like before. And I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. Kind of stuck right now with this area. I definitely think it looked cool with the candles, but I don't have those yet. And I think I'm gonna put something on top of this table because it just looks too plain, but I kind of given up on this for now and moved on to the bar and added our vines. Oops, this one actually fell. I gotta pick that one up. But Redhead added a little spider in the corner, and we added more vines, and it's looking amazing. Absolutely love the bar. Good morning, it's the next day. So I decided that I'm gonna make this a 2-part vlog because I feel like it's already getting pretty long and I don't want you guys to miss out on anything. So we still need to do our kitchen, our stairs, and the front door and our backyard. Second vlog, but let's go ahead and do a little tour of what we've already done. Here is how our living room came out. So I know you guys only saw me decorate the fireplace, but I did get a couple new items. We got this new pillow and this new little throw. Decided to put this light up here since I felt like it needed something. I went ahead and lit the candles so you guys could see what it's gonna look like at night. Also went ahead and decorated this a little bit. I mean, it's mainly just a storage for things that I'm not using for Halloween. But yeah, here is our living room. I think pairing it nicely with some crystals and adding in little rats and spiders really did help. And of course the candles really do set the vibe. I've added the bats because, you know, it's like they're coming out of the chimney, which is kind of cool. I still think I'm gonna hang a couple bats. I have like a couple bat figures, and then I had Red put up this little Spidey right here. I am still missing one of my potion bottles. I don't know where it is, but when I find it, it's gonna go right here. I just put like a light inside the cauldron. I'm gonna put some more webbing in there to make it look like bubbling, like a bubbling cauldron. I think overall it turned out pretty nice. So here is how the bar area turned out. This is probably one of my favorite places in the house just because it has like this super overgrown feeling. These, as you guys know, Ivy was from the 99-cent store, and we just decorated them all over the walls. But yeah, I forgot to light this guy up. I need to get batteries. I need a lot of batteries. But yeah, this area was meant to be kind of like, I don't know, like a creepy kind of bayou area, kind of like more voodoo-y kind of magic. Put some ivy up here on the lights. I feel like if you have fabric, it really makes a big difference, like just layering the different types of fabric. I know some of you are probably wondering where I got most of this stuff. If you're curious, I will try to let you guys know. Just leave a comment and I'll see if I can remember. For the most part, I can remember everything, but sometimes I've just had it for a long time and I forget. So here is our credenza area. I went ahead and lit some of the candles. I do have to replace some batteries, like this little guy over here lights up. That candle needs to be replaced. I love using like the fake candles inside of skulls whenever I can, just to kind of, you know, add to the creepiness. We got some real propagating plants right here. I love, this is one of our newest additions, little gargoyle cats. On top of some witchy books, and always crystals to add to the spooky vibe. Incense. Just started burning these last year. They drip a lot, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep those lit. Those are real candles. I normally don't feel super comfortable when I have real candles lit during a party. Only if they're tea lights. Like this guy is pretty cool with a little tea light candle. And yeah, I think I might add some lights in here. It's a little dark, you can't really tell what's going on. And then this little fortune thing that we just bought from Michael's illuminates the skull pretty nicely. I don't know, I think I might add some more tea light candles to this table, especially since it's gonna be dark. But that's our little credenza, and I think it came out pretty nice. Okay, so here is what we have so far for the dining room. We're still playing with the idea of adding stuff onto the wall, but we'll see if we have time for that. I really do love the way that this came out, our little center arrangement. And I just layered a bunch of fabric in between all the different things, put some dried baby's breath and moss, And then added some skulls, and then I had these cute little, these are new too this year, little pumpkin. They're bells, they're so cute, but I just laid them on the table. Got some fake candles up there, and then we have our little ruby memoriam right here. It has her little ghost painting and her ashes and her little paw print right here, and I thought it'd be cute to decorate it with like little skull butterflies kind of flying around. I have one of my favorite chairs, my anthropology chair here, and just put a little pillow on this, and then just kind of decorated this. This area does feel like it is missing something though. I'm gonna put some candy in here, and then this will be covered with food. Night of Halloween. I thought I would end the vlog outside because it's a nice gloomy day, but that is what we have decorated so far. I was kind of stressing out a little bit because I wanted to finish everything in this one vlog, but to be honest with you, like, the decorating is a process. Like, it takes, I forgot how long it actually takes to decorate, and plus I'm making some cosplays and costumes. I will hopefully finish decorating everything next week. We'll do our outdoor area, and then I'm gonna do a haunted house tour, official house tour over on the TiffyQuake channel because I haven't done one yet. So I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog and got some ideas to decorate your house. If you made it this far in the video, let's leave some cobweb emojis in the comment section below. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited for Halloween because I am, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye!